Hey everyone, Greg here from CarID.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I'm reviewing the Rixxu Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Now, Rixxu is a new brand that we recently added to our site. The Rixxu product lineup includes seat covers and sunshades, and now they went ahead and added tonneau covers to the mix. So far, I'm really impressed with the quality, fit, and finish of these tonneau covers, and that's exactly why I decided to feature this one in our video today. Now, if you own a pickup truck like I do, you're going to agree that the main reason for having a truck is because of the bed. Now, a pickup's bed offers incredible versatility for work or for play, but leaving it uncovered has its downsides. Water and snow can collect in there, and you can't hide or protect whatever is in the bed. Not to mention, it also doesn't really help your gas mileage either. Well, Rixxu decided to enter the tonneau cover market to offer a cost-friendly solution for those of you out there who want to keep your bed protected, but also don't want to put a huge dent in your wallet. So again, this is the Rixxu Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. Now, their lineup also includes a soft trifold and a high trifold cover as well. The soft roll-up is Rixxu's entry-level cover. However, it offers great protection at an affordable price. To start, let's talk about how you can expect this cover to fit. Now, unlike some covers out there that fit inside the bed rails of a truck, the Rixxu Soft Roll-Up sits on top of them, so it will protrude up slightly. But compared to other entry-level covers, I think the Rixxu Soft Roll-Up still offers a relatively smooth and sleek low-profile design. Next, it attaches along the sides with industrial Velcro, which keeps all of the moisture out of the bed. And speaking of moisture, Rixxu also includes built-in tube supports within the vinyl, which allows the cover to withstand the weight of any snow that piles up on it. And since this cover latches at the rear, it can only be unlatched with the tailgate down. All you have to do is remember to lock your tailgate, and this cover gives you a good level of security. Let's move on to the tonneau cover's material now and construction. Now, Rixxu uses heavy-duty, tear-resistant vinyl, which will stand up to the elements no matter what part of the country that you live in. The aluminum braces are light and strong and are integrated right into the cover, which adds to its durability. Now remember that a tonneau cover improves airflow over the bed, which is also going to give you better gas mileage. Now, you want to know that this cover is securely mounted, which this one is. All the hardware that you need for installation is included, and Rixxu backs all of this up with a 1-year warranty. Alright, at this point, let's move on to talk about the installation, guys, and the good news is it's simple and straightforward. This tonneau cover can be installed on your truck in less than an hour, and you only need basic hand tools to do it. Plus, there is no drilling. Now, one trick to share with you that we discovered doing the install is that you're going to get the best fit for the locking pins if you roll the cover all the way out to the tailgate several times. This is just going to ensure that the pins line up correctly. But once the install is done, you'll see that rolling this soft cover up and back down is really simple. Of course, you start by dropping the tailgate, then simply grasp the end of the cover and pull on the cord, unlocking it from the side rails. Then just roll along the Velcro side rails all the way up to the cab and secure it with the elastic straps. Reinstalling it is just the reverse of those steps. Bottom line, guys, if you're looking for a well-made, value-priced tonneau cover to keep your cargo and your bed protected, then don't rule out Rixxu. Now, I am really pleasantly surprised with this product, so if you like this cover, head over to CarID.com to check out this Rixxu cover and all the other accessories in their product lineup. And as always, I'm Greg from CarID.com, and I will see you guys next time in the garage.